At Karlstrom Pressed Metal in Westboro, the work being done here is loud. It's gritty, and it's an important part of the manufacturing industry across the U.S.
We make metal parts according to our customers' specifications.
What that means is that they are pressing, bending, or cutting metal into parts that will be shipped off to make something else.
We make some parts for the consumer industry, like the base of a trowel blade. We also make parts that I understand end up in submarines or cars or aircraft.
This family business started in the early 50s when, during the Korean War, they received a government contract to make the fuse housing for 500-pound bombs.
So the fuse would go in here, and then the rest of the mechanism to make the bomb explode would happen here.
From bombs to blender caps and everything in between, if it's metal, this Massachusetts manufacturer can manipulate it for whatever the need.
We receive in raw material. We make it to print as quickly, safely, and efficiently as possible, and we ship it. Bing, bang, boom. That's it.
Yes, the work being done here is down and dirty, but there's also an environmentally conscious green element at work. Out front, a massive solar farm has been installed that provides 100% of the company's electrical needs.
We are self-sufficient, and anything extra we sell to our neighbor who is also an industrial customer as well.
With a new school approach to an old school industry, at Karlstrom, there's a great deal of pride in what they do here, and they don't consider work a four-letter word.
We're really proud to do the things that we do, especially in Massachusetts.
There is an interesting aspect to working at Karlstrom. In many cases, when they're assigned a project to build something, they may have no idea what that piece will eventually be used for or what specific product it will be used in. Doug Meehan, WCVB, News Center 5.